These are the elevators at Foster Plaza 11 in Green Tree, Pennsylvania. These are 1980s or 90s Dover Oildraulic elevators with impulse fixtures. Marshall, installed by Marshall. Doorway center opening. I think this is from the early 90s. I think this is the newest building here. Go to 4. And check it out. But it wasn't even just the button. Fan's annoying. They smell like hydraulic oil. Bouncy. Ooh. Here, 4. Back down to 1. Some of the buttons are like older impulse buttons. Non-8A phone, it's red. The magnets definitely stick. Basic cab with rather dark lighting. I'm not sure why they didn't try to make the cab fancier because the rest of it's brass. I thought we were stopping it for a second. It's running very weirdly on the way down. Here, back at 1. Pause if you would like to read that. That elevator right there is being doubled as a service elevator.